This is Saili Velankar, partner Wellness Services. I welcome you all on this FinTalk session where we answer investment planning, finance, and tax related issues. If you have any question, why don't you write us mail? The email ID is given right in the comment box down. Do not forget to give your contact details, and we would love to invite you on our FinTalk session. Today, we have Mr. Anil Nair, the director and founder of HR Consultants Private Limited. Their specialization is into recruiting higher and middle level management people. Also, they are into HR audit, organizational restructuring, and other HR consultancy services. So, welcome, Anil. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, Saili. Hi, Saili. Nice to be here. So, thanks for a wonderful introduction.
Can I hear the question for me today?
Yeah, I have a very important question for you. See, there is one of my clients who is an old manufacturing company, and recently they have given handshake to almost 8 to 10 senior employees due to this pandemic. So it all happened, it all happened suddenly. So these employees are confused. So there will be no salary from next month. But yes, they are getting a lump sum retirement amount. So these people are really confused ki where to park these funds. So and you know, how to plan this retirement. So do you know any method or can you suggest any technique for this retirement planning?
Thank you so much for asking this question, Anil, because I've heard a lot of PSUs, nationalized banks, and even private have given golden check hand or given voluntary retirement option to employees. Because of this sudden option given to them, I think a lot of panic is created, and this employees are confused whether to opt for this voluntary retirement and how to go about investing this retirement fund. So, Anil, with the question I wanted to ask, what first investment option comes to your mind when retirement funds to be invested?
Uh, Bank FDs or something like that?
Yes. See, our monthly salary is going to, and this is the only lump sum amount what you have. So definitely the safety and liquidity of this fund is the important issue for you. So we suggest simple 3 bucket approach for any retirement planning to ensure safety and security of your amount, create monthly income and wealth multiplication for making or for getting inflation beating returns. So bucket one, we suggest to keep some amount for emergency funds that you need for your pending obligations or for your emergencies, where security, safety, and liquidity of your fund is the major issue, major concern. So we suggest bank RDs, FDs, PPF, such options. Bucket two is for monthly expenses or monthly income because your monthly salary has stopped. So we suggest you to invest some amount in debt funds, balance mutual funds, maybe through SWP, you can get monthly expenses. SWP is systematic withdrawal planning. So you can get a fixed amount every month for your monthly expenses. And third bucket is for wealth creation. That is basically for long-term investment for inflation beating returns. With the medical inventions, the life expectancy is up to 80 years. So you have to manage with this one till 80 years. So obviously you have to have inflation beating returns. So we suggest you investment options like equity related investment tools. So this is how you can manage safety, security, monthly income and inflation beating income too.
Yeah, Saili, great. So can you just explain me a little more about SWP options?
Yes. SWP is a very effective tool for monthly income. SWP, this long form of SWP is systematic withdrawal planning. You must have heard SIP, that is systematic investment planning.
Yeah.
So like bank RD, a certain amount every month goes into mutual funds. Likewise, SWP is withdrawing certain amount every month for your monthly expenses. I'll give you a classic example. That's one of the success stories where our client invested rupees 15 lakhs for 20 years. Yeah. And every month he is withdrawing 10,000, that is almost 8% of the amount he invested, that is 15 lakh. So he withdrew 10,000 every month for 20 years. That comes to 24 lakhs approximately. So after investing 15 lakhs, he's withdrawing 24 lakhs in 20 years. And at the end of the 20th year, he created corpus of almost 1 crore. Can you believe?
Wow.
So this is really the magic of SWP, where you can create corpus as well your monthly expenses are taken care. So in conclusion, what I feel is in retirement, one has to take care of safety security of the funds, definitely. At the same time, he has to ensure monthly expenses and wealth creation options too. So this three bucket approach works with almost everyone. Maybe the amount varies as per their liabilities or their obligations or maybe their goals. But this formula has worked with most of retired people. So I hope I have given some relevant inputs to the question you asked.
Yeah. This information is very, very precious.
Thank
So
you.
I'll tell my people, I'll tell my company and my employees, matlab the employees there, to immediately to get in touch with you. Thank you, Saili. Thank you very much for
Yes,
this
yes. I
insights.
hope this FinTalks question has given some insights to those who are retiring. And this three bucket approach concept would definitely help you think about SWP for your monthly expenses. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Anil, for sparing your
Thank you,
valuable
Saili. Thank you.
time
Bye
and being
bye.
on our show. Thank you.
Thank you, Saili. Bye.